Everyone, welcome back to another week of What's for Dinner. Today is Monday. The kids are officially out of school and I have a few meals going on here. So first I made potato soup. It's still overcast and kind of cold outside. This week it's supposed to get into the 70s and 80s, so it's gonna get really hot here. So I figured since today is still cool and my kids love potato soup, just finished this. It is almost 11 in the morning. I made a huge pot of spaghettis. And then my husband put these ribs in the crock pot. I might do a little chicken rice or something on the side. We have Caesar salads also. This is a lot of food, but I have 2 teenagers, 2 elementary kids, my husband and me home today, so we're gonna be going through a lot of food. This is gonna be lunch, dinner, and then they'll keep eating in between. So this is what we're making and we're having, I made and we're having today. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, you guys, it is Tuesday and we have a special day because it is Lucas's 9th birthday. Say hi, birthday boy.
Hi.
We have music going. Yeah, and then we have a little setup here and we are doing Pizza Hut pizza for his birthday. So we're just waiting on his dad to bring that and we will share that with you guys. You guys, it is Tuesday night. It's like almost 8:40. We had Pizza Hut pizza and ice cream cake, and I forgot to film it, but that's what we had. There's no leftovers. So I want to show you guys what I'm gonna get ready in my crock pot. I have these 2 turkey wings, and I just sprayed my crock pot with this Pam spray, and because I just cleaned out and reorganized my stockpile in the garage, I found that I have a bunch of spray, like Pam and the olive spray, olive oil spray and stuff like that, butter spray. So they were tucked in the back. I would have never found them. So I'm so happy because I just ran out of my spray and now I have more. So I'm going to put this with some seasoning in the crock pot, and that's going to be for my husband for lunch for tomorrow. And I really don't know what I'm making tomorrow for us. It's getting hot. It was 82 degrees. I'm not complaining. It's very nice, but it is getting hot. Look, the kids are outside. They're on the trampoline. They had a balloon fight, water balloon fight, and they scored at each other with guns and stuff. And yeah, they have milk on the trampoline. My husband's just at the fire pit. It's a really beautiful summer night. And I'm gonna get these in the crock pot and really brainstorm and see what I can cook tomorrow. Everyone, it is Wednesday, and today we are making 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. And then in the air fryer, we have chicken leg quarters. And then over here, I have this chicken breast, buffalo style, shaved chicken breast that I'm gonna do like a little stir fry. I have this shredded cabbage and carrots bag in the fridge. So I'm gonna mix this with these peppers, or some of the peppers, and some onion and this, and make like a little stir. I'm also gonna add mushrooms, so it's gonna be delicious. So I dumped the chicken over the veggies and I turned off the heat. Obviously this is cast iron skillet. It's still very hot and it's just kind of all the flavors are gonna melt together. I can't wait to give it a try. I'm sure it's super delicious. This is what I'm having. The kids are having chicken with, the little ones are having chicken with the macaroni and cheese, and we are gonna have a delicious meal tonight. See guys, so I just took a bite and this is so delicious. I just added a little bit of salt and pepper while I was cooking everything, and the chicken is spicy. It's got a little kick, but it's not overpowering anything because the cabbage and the veggies kind of tone it down. So if you like just a little kick without a lot of spice, this is absolutely delicious. I'll show you guys. This is what the little ones are eating because they don't like the stir fry, right? And so yeah, chicken and macaroni and cheese. Guys, let me show you one more thing on Wednesday. So there's some bones from the chicken that the kids ate, and then this is the chicken skin. My husband actually peeled it off of the leg quarters, and I'm going to make chicken stock overnight in my crock pot, and then I'm gonna put it in jars and throw it in my freezer once it cools down, and we will have chicken stock. That way nothing goes to waste. Okay everyone, it is Thursday, and for dinner we're just having burgers and chips. Keeping it very simple, and the burgers are done in the air fryer, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hi everyone, it is Friday and we are doing simple tacos. It's like 80 something degrees and it's hot. We have just 1 can of beans with some taco seasoning, a can of corn with salt and pepper, cheese, coleslaw, shred and some sour cream, ground beef with seasoning, some leftover rice that the kids had for lunch, and salsa and tortillas. So I'm gonna put this together, and this is what we are having for dinner. So you guys, here are my husband's tacos. I just loaded everything on there, gave him some burritos, and a nice cold Pepsi on this nice warm day. See you guys tomorrow. It is Saturday, and we are having polenta with Italian sausage for lunch. It is Saturday night. Actually, it's 5:37 in the afternoon. Do we have a spread for you tonight? We have this beautiful mushroom sauce that my mom made. She's over. My parents are over. And this beautiful spinach sauce, gravy kind of. I don't know, it's absolutely delicious. Mashed potatoes. We have Kentucky style ribs in the... And I also have pork chops that I seasoned. Those are the pork chops that I had them adjust at Safeway for me. I seasoned them and put them in the air fryer. We have 2 bowls of Caesar salad. And then my daughter's friend works at Nothing But Bun Cake. And whatever they don't sell that day, they can take it home or give it to whoever. And she brought us a cake. So we also have garlic bread. And that's gonna go in the oven. In the air fryer. And then David made some rice, and he's actually gonna have this vegetable tikka masala because he doesn't like pork. So he's gonna have that on the side. Hey you guys, so we have the ribs. There's more in the crock pot. We have the mushroom sauce with mashed potatoes, the pork chops, Caesar salad, more gravy, spinach, as cream spinach, and the mushrooms, and garlic bread for whoever wants. This is smelling delicious, and this is our dinner tonight. We will see you guys tomorrow. So we are here with my husband. Doreen, say hi.
Hi.
We just finished eating. Those are my parents. Did you guys like the food?
Hi everybody, it was very good. I like it.
My mom made the sauces. Now we're gonna do dessert. So yeah, there's still leftover, you guys can see, and we still have more in the pots. So we're hoping for leftover for tomorrow. If not, that's fine. The day is still long. Okay, so this is David's dinner. It's the tikka masala with rice, and he cooked up some chicken breast in the air fryer because he doesn't eat the ribs or the pork chops because he's weird. Anyway, he just doesn't like pork. If you tell him it's chicken and he doesn't know it's pork, he'll eat it just fine. He just doesn't, I don't know. Anyway, so this is what he's having, and it smells really good. So it is Saturday night, and me and my husband, after dinner, we decided to do the DoorDash for just a few hours. We did like $80-something, but once in a while, so if I have food in here, this is my like pizza bag. The customer, I was supposed to deliver for like 2 miles. I was supposed to go and deliver at a hotel, pizza and wings from Pizza Hut. And the customer asked me to hand it to them, and I couldn't get a hold of them. So DoorDash said they paid me almost $10 for that, for going for 2 miles. And they said to keep the food. Emma, can you open this? So I think there's wings there. Open that and show them. So there's the wings and the pizza. And again, DoorDash paid me almost $10 to take this home. So pretty exciting. That doesn't happen that often, but it does happen once in a while. And yeah, that's part of our food. So we'll definitely enjoy that. I just wanted to share that with you guys. It was pretty exciting. Talk to you guys later. Sunday, we ended up going to the beach, and we had a great old time, and we just packed sandwiches, and we really enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked this video. See you guys next week.